Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to add measurements. So if you want to add measurements, we can use the tab measure tools. Click these icons, tab measure. Like I will click in the red axis, move to green axis, and you can set for the length like into 500. Press enter. I will create again from this green axis, move to the right axis, we can set to 500. Okay, I will cut again from these lines, move to green axis 1000, and also from this point into here 2000. And you can use like the rectangle tools to create rectangles, use the pull tools to convert into 3D. So in this page, you also can create for the measurements. You can click again, tap measurements. I will click from this edge, move to the bottom here. You can set for the length or distance to 200. And I will cut again from this point to the top, 200. And now you can create like the rectangle again from the corner point to corner point. After it, we can use the pull tools to convert. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp 2026 how to add measurements.